Hello and welcome back to 10-minute meditations for less stress and more joy. This is Lauren LaPointe and thank you so much for being here. So in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about Vipassana meditation. And Vipassana is also called insight or mindfulness meditation, and it's considered to be one of the oldest types of meditation. And here's just a little bit about Vipassana meditation. Vipassana means to see things as they really are. And this type of meditation helps us to gain insight into the true nature of ourselves and everything around us. This practice allows us to see things exactly how they really are rather than how we perceive them. And the goal in Vipassana meditation is called liberation, which is a result of this clear seeing. So Vipassana differs from other types of meditation that emphasize concentration as a means to calm and peace. Okay, in Vipassana, the aim is not calm and peace. The aim is to see things as they really are. Okay, so it's a bit of a different goal, which is kind of interesting. And just briefly, here are some basic steps on how to practice this type of meditation. So just sit comfortably with your eyes closed if that feels appropriate. And watch your breath as it flows in and out through your nose. Focus on the single spot where you can feel your breath at the tip of your nose. Don't change or force a breath in any way, just keep it natural. When your mind wanders, bring it back to your breath without judgment. In this way, you are practicing being completely present and aware of your reality, which is the aim of Vipassana meditation. Okay? So really good book that I highly recommend if you're interested in learning more about Vipassana meditation. It's this book right here, Mindfulness in Plain English. It's very accessible, very down to earth, very well written, very clear, and I've included it in the resource section at the end of this course as well. And there are also Vipassana retreat centers where you can go on silent retreat for a specified amount of time. Like I often see 10 days, but I believe there are different time lengths as well. Okay, and I sat a 10-day silent Vipassana retreat as well. And they're all over the world. So I'll include some more information about this in our section on retreats. Okay, so thank you so much for being here. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks again. See you soon.